everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine, and today's video I have an amazing and exciting project for you, the Moonbowl, a wish teller, which is basically a visual representation of your dreams, wishes, goals, plans told into tiny pieces. All the materials and steps will be on the screen and in the description box below. Now we know what a Moonbowl is, a visual representation of your plans, wishes, and goals turned into tiny pieces. Now how does it work? The Moonbowl works as the crystal ball used by fortune tellers to tell you your fortune. But with the Moonbowl, you are the fortune teller, or the wish teller in this case. You create your wishes, you put them in the universe, and you cultivate the right seed on the right soil. What you need before making a Moonbowl: do your researches and ask the right questions. Some questions may be: what are your goals, dreams, and visions? What criteria, qualities, abilities, and commitment do you need to live to the fullest to fulfill your dreams? What discipline, correction, help, and guidance do you need? What prayers do you need to put in the universe to have the one to answer? And what will your perfect day be, or your perfect year? I have 5 areas where I want to work: business, personal, city related, family, and work. For example, I want to be the best version of myself this year. Starting this year, I want to start my business. I want to commit more. I want to help my family. Yours may be different. Like you want to maybe start a business, publish a book, release a song, lose weight, gain weight. It's different. You write them in the area where you want to improve. You print them, cut them, and put them in the Moonbowl, then pick one and work on it. As you can see here, I have 365 wishes and tasks for each day of the year in order to stay conscious, present, and committed. You can do it task by task, goals by goals, dreams by dreams, plans by plans, etc. It's like a mind game, a puzzle, a fortune cookie written by you. How awesome is that? How do you keep the commitment? See it as a challenge, a game. The more you play, the better you become. You go to a higher level, you get stronger, and you win. Or you want something that you can't afford, but you have to work for it. See what losing it or not having what you're looking for feels like, and see if living without it is worth living. Take that same fear as a motivator to push you to work for it. See it on a positive matter. What you will gain once you achieve the required task. And remember, when you do, it's not over yet. It's a year of milestone. Pat yourself on the back, then put out your armor for the next task. Bigger dreams to come, bigger challenges to face. Remember, it will never be over as long as you are alive. It's an extraordinary journey, once lived with life, love, laughter, commitment, happiness, fun, creativity, positivity, and passion. As I said, it's like a game, and no other player can play your part the way you do, because the only opponent is yourself. Be fearless, brave, ruthless, because the game of life is the ultimate. You have to be the best to win. Go out there, be the best you can. If you can imagine it, if you can say it, you can have it. Just have to put in the work. It's not gonna be easy, but it's worth it. If you've made it that far, you are amazing. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you find something in it. You keep creating your life every day, knowing that every single day you have, it's an opportunity to be the best you can, to live the life that you see, you imagine, to help to be the best in the world. I hope you have an amazing 2021, amazing new year, and you make the year the best year ever. No matter the surprises to come, you know that you have your head up and you will have an amazing year no matter what. So this is my wish for you, and thank you again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.